Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect TaxJar to Shopify for automated sales tax calculations step by step clearly. To connect TaxJar to Shopify for automated sales tax calculations, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify admin page. From the admin dashboard, go to the Apps section. Click on the Visit Shopify App Store button to access the App Store. In the search bar, type TaxJar and press Enter. Locate the TaxJar app from the search results. Click on the Add App button. You may need to confirm the installation by entering your Shopify store password. Once installed, open the TaxJar app from your apps list. Begin the integration process by selecting the Connect with Shopify button. Follow the prompts to log into your TaxJar account. If you do not have a TaxJar account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, authorize the connection between TaxJar and Shopify. Review the integration settings that TaxJar provides. Adjust the settings based on your business needs. Ensure that your product information in Shopify is accurate and complete. Check that your shipping and billing addresses are correctly set up in Shopify. Review the tax settings in Shopify, making sure they align with TaxJar's recommendations. Once everything is configured, save your settings. Now, navigate back to your Shopify dashboard to verify the setup. Test the integration by processing a sample order. Check if the sales tax is automatically calculated during checkout. If everything works correctly, your TaxJar and Shopify integration is complete. If you encounter any issues, refer to TaxJar's support documentation for troubleshooting. You can also reach out to Shopify support for further assistance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.